Thank you for using Delta. Let me click here, guys. As you can see, all scripts are added successfully. Hello there people, and what is up, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called appload.com, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you the easiest way. So go to your profile on your browser, on your profile Roblox, and just copy your link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, and you have this base button. Just press and automatically you will get your user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select these 4 scripts. Let me click continue, guys, and let's see, does it actually work? So if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites for nowadays. Appload is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher of the app. Or download it, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, guys, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's test. Does it actually work? So let me play this Grow Garden and let's test this. Okay. And guys, as you can see, I'm now in the game and I have this panel. So thank you for using Delta. Let me click here, guys. As you can see, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and you will get your amazing Delta Executor. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.